Hello everyone, my name is Mihir Shah and we are group number 103. Our project title is Solana price prediction using LSTM. So let's start with the motivation. So cryptocurrencies have gained significant popularity as digital assets, and with Solana as one of the most prominent and promising blockchain platforms. And we all three group members were interested in cryptocurrency, and so we wanted to develop something like for future prediction like kind of thing. So we use deep learning methods like long short-term memory as it has the great potential in time series forecasting by effectively capturing long-term dependency and nonlinear relationships. So this study aims to average LSTM-based models to enhance the accuracy of Solana price predictions and so that it can give some valuable insights to traders, investors, and researchers. This is a problem statement. So predicting cryptocurrency is a very tedious task and it's a very challenging because it depends upon various factors. So traditional statistical models often fail to capture the nonlinear and dynamic nature of cryptocurrency price movements. So this study focuses on developing an LSTM-based forecasting model specifically for Solana. This is our data set. So our data set has almost like 1800 rows and 12 columns, and out of which we have done some feature selection later on so that we have not used all the columns. And the data set has been imported from like the Solana website. So it's like a trustworthy data. And these are some of the exploited data analysis that we have done. So this is the plot of closing price over time. This is a heat map which shows that the volume is highly correlated. This is the exploited data analysis of year-wise trading volume, which shows that in 2024 and 2025, a lot of Solana was traded as compared to the other years. This is a this is the year-wise high and low prices. As you can see that in 2025, it was like all-time high. And now this is the model architecture. So long short-term memory is a type of recurrent neural network that excels at processing and sequential data by learning long-term dependencies and time series. And why LSTM is better than RNN? Because in LSTM, it has like three layers, that is the input, output, and the forget layer. So to control the information flow and prevent the vanishing gradient problem. And thus the model was trained on normalized Solana price data. So now let's come to the data pre-processing. So we just loaded the Solana price data from the Solana website and we then did the feature selection. So we considered these four features were important, that were open, high, low, and close. Then we decided either to do standard scalar or mean max scalar, but we eventually did the mean max scalar, and then we converted the data into sequences for the LSTM input. And later on, we just splitted the data like 80% of the data into training and like 20% of the data into testing. And then we did the model training and evaluation. And then our training was conducted using the mean squared error loss and an Adam optimizer. And the model was trained over multiple reports with patch size of 64 and 128. We considered these three evaluation metrics, which is mean squared error, root mean squared error, and R square for our consideration of our data. And these are the results and the predictions that we have got. So let's start with the results. So we got a testing root mean square error of like 8.6 and testing mean absolute error of 6.59. As compared to the crypto market, these values were good because in crypto market, it's like we're not able to predict properly because of the violation and some politics going on in the market. So it's good thing. Now the model successfully captured price trends and general movement. As you can see that in the orange color, it's the validation loss, and in the blue color, it's the training loss. Now this data shows that we have data from 5th of April 2024 to like 3rd of May like 2025, which shows that the line chart compares the actual and the predicted closing prices of the Solana, and the blue line represents the actual price data, while the orange line represents the predictions made by the LSTM model. So the predicted line closely follows the actual price, indicating that the model captures the overall trend and seasonality of Solana prices effectively. And minor deviations are expected due to the noisy and the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency markets. And later on, we did the forecasting, which was our main function, like to forecast the data to know about the future prices, what it would be. So the left side shows a 7-day forecast and the right side shows the 90-day forecast, which seems like the Solana price is going to be high. And this is a comparison with a baseline model, that is LSTM and support vector regression. Both give great results, but the LSTM model gave some extremely good results than support vector regression. So LSTM was effective for time series prediction on Solana prices. And in consideration of prior work, we all had done some deep learning projects and we were very much excited about doing this project. And these are some of the references that we have used. So thank you.